trend filter combined with momentum and the engulfing candle pattern creates a reliable system for trend trading. In this video, I'll demonstrate a complete strategy using 2 free TradingView indicators. You'll learn all essential components for immediate implementation, giving you a ready-to-use trading approach. Let's dive in. Our first indicator combines the engulfing candle pattern with the relative strength index, RSI, to generate trading signals based on price action and momentum conditions. It identifies bullish signals when a candle closes above the previous candle's open while RSI is in oversold territory below 30 level, or has been in that range within the last 3 periods. Conversely, it signals bearish conditions when a candle closes below the previous candle's open, while RSI is overbought, above 70 level, or was there in the past 3 periods. Buy signals are marked with green triangles below price bars, while sell signals appear as red triangles above them, labeled buy and sell, respectively. The indicator uses a standard 14-period RSI, combining 2 well-known technical analysis tools. The engulfing pattern highlights price reversals based on simple arithmetic comparisons between the current and previous candle, while RSI measures momentum by tracking the strength and velocity of price changes. Despite its name, this is not an AI-driven system. It follows a strict rule-based approach without machine learning, neural networks, or adaptive models. Its calculations are deterministic, meaning identical inputs will always yield the same outputs. The double EMA pullback buy-sell signal indicator identifies potential buy and sell opportunities based on price pullbacks relative to 2 exponential moving averages. It uses adjustable short-term EMA, default 50 period, and a long-term EMA, default 200 period, to generate signals. A buy signal occurs when the price crosses above the short EMA while it remains above the long EMA, suggesting a bullish continuation. A sell signal is triggered when the price crosses below the short EMA while it stays below the long EMA, indicating a bearish continuation. This indicator is mainly suited for trend-based strategies, helping traders spot pullback entries in trending markets. Though functioning independently, the system's double EMA component paired with engulfing candle patterns provides more reliable entry points, offering additional confirmation after pullbacks. While this strategy can function across multiple timeframes, the engulfing candle pattern tends to be more reliable and effective on timeframes above 1 hour. I recommend starting with higher timeframes, but also DYOR. Configure the RSI with a length of 20, setting overbought at 55 and oversold at 45. For the short-term EMA, use 100 period to reduce false signals, though default settings can work too. Remove buy and sell signals as we'll be using engulfing candle signals for our entries. It might seem obvious that you simply enter long when you see a buy signal or short when you see a sell signal, but there's more to it. As this is a trend trading strategy, the indicator itself should be viewed as just part of a broader approach. What I mean is, we have to join only established trends or ones with clear direction. We only look for entries if price keeps making higher highs for longs or lower lows for shorts. If the price dips below 200 EMA, that means the trend is likely weakening or entering a consolidation phase, so we need to wait for the trend to reestablish itself. If price is in a range, wait for a breakout. Start looking to enter long when the price is above both moving averages and the blue line is above the red. Wait for a pullback. During a pullback, price must cross below the 100 EMA, blue, and get rejected but not cross the 200 EMA, red line. Enter when the engulfing candle indicator gives a buy signal. To enter a short position, price must be trending below both EMAs, with the blue line below the red one. Wait for a pullback. During a pullback, price must cross above the 100 EMA, blue, and get rejected, but not cross the 200 EMA, red line. Enter when the engulfing candle indicator gives a sell signal. Use at least 1 to 2 risk-reward ratio for effective risk management. We have recently introduced the complete QR Pro BST ecosystem. 1 workflow, 3 tools. Backtest your settings, scan for opportunities, and trade with confidence. Link in the description if you want to see how it works.